Meta set to report profit as Zuckerberg appearances extreme inquiries in Congress. Facebook parent organization Meta gets its most memorable large trial of the year with financial backers Thursday, with final quarter income due after the market close. The tech Goliath is preparing to post results as CEO Mark Zuckerberg on Wednesday confronted extreme inquiries from U.S. legislators on the informal community's effect on kids. First, thank you so much for tuning into today's video. If you found the content helpful and insightful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest finance tips and insights. Your support means the world to us, and we're thrilled to have you as part of the Finance Savvy community. By subscribing, you not only stay updated with our upcoming videos, but also contribute to the growth of our channel. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions for future topics, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. We love hearing from our viewers. Thanks again for being with us. Stay financially savvy, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, and have a fantastic day. Now, back to the article. On the securities exchange today, Meta stock is down 1.2% at 395.27. Alongside the strained Senate hearing Wednesday, a deal's miss for Google's promoting business detailed by letters in order, GOGL, has virtual entertainment stocks exchanging lower. This is what to realize about Wednesday's hearing and Meta's profit report on Thursday. Legislators say Meta, web-based entertainment stages damage youngsters. Zuckerberg seemed Wednesday before the Senate Legal Executive Council for a conference named, quote, Enormous Tech and the Internet-Based Youngsters Sexual Double-Dealing Emergency, unquote. Joining Zuckerberg were TikTok pioneers Shozi Byte, Snap, CEO Evan Spiegel, Disunity CEO Jason Citron, and Linda Yaccarino, CEO of X, previously Twitter. Senator Dick Durbin, administrator of the board, said each organization's, quote, steady quest for commitment and benefit over security have seriously jeopardized our children in general and grandchildren, unquote. Senator Lindsey Graham said at the consultation, quote, Mr. Zuckerberg, you and the organizations before us, I realize you don't mean it to be thus, yet you have a guilty conscience, unquote. Zuckerberg in his declaration safeguarded the organization's interests in kid security apparatuses, saying web-based entertainment gives encouraging points to youngsters. Yet, he likewise tended to guardians in the crowd who said their kids were hurt or taken advantage of via web-based entertainment. Quote, please accept my apologies for all that you've all gone through, unquote, Zuckerberg said. A few legislators contended that web-based entertainment needs more grounded rules. One bill, the Children Online Well-Being Act, would expect that web-based organizations take, quote, sensible measures, unquote, to shield minors from hurt. It would likewise require the administrations to give clients younger than 18 the most noteworthy security and well-being settings, among different measures. Meta informant Frances Haugen says Zuckerberg's expression of remorse to families is a, quote, defining moment, unquote. Meta informant Frances Haugen felt prime supporter and Chief Mark Zuckerberg's declaration before Congress was, quote, strong, unquote, on Wednesday, particularly when he went to apologize straightforwardly to families who faulted the harmfulness of web-based entertainment for the passing of a friend or family member. Quote, that statement of regret, I think, is a defining moment since it's whenever he's first needed to noticeably confront the outcomes of his decisions, unquote, Haugen said on CNBC's Last Call. The conference in regards to youngster security via virtual entertainment highlighted a few noticeable tech chiefs from Disunity, Snap, TikTok, and X, the stage previously known as Twitter. However, maybe none drew more wrath from administrators than Zuckerberg. At a certain point, Missouri conservative Senator Josh Hawley squeezed Zuckerberg on research that showed minors were experiencing improper and undesirable substances like nakedness on Instagram at a disturbing rate. Zuckerberg bobbled and afterward wouldn't respond to Hawley's inquiry over who was terminated directly following those disclosures. Quote, do you have any idea about who's sitting behind you, unquote, Hawley inquired. Quote, you have families from the country over whose kids are either seriously hurt or gone. You don't believe it's fitting to discuss steps that you took, unquote. Hawley begged Zuckerberg to apologize to those in participation, and the chief rose from his seat and went to talk straightforwardly to the group. Quote, please accept my apologies for all that you have experienced. It's awful, unquote, Zuckerberg said. Quote, for this reason, We contribute so a lot and will keep doing industry-driving endeavors to ensure that nobody needs to go through the kinds of things that your families have needed to endure." Unquote. Haugen, the previous Facebook item chief turned informant who released a stash of inner reports to the Wall Street Diary in 2021, said the conciliatory sentiment was enhanced by the numerous families and participation. Quote, "It was a full room," unquote, Haugen said. Quote, "The energy was electric," unquote. A significant number of the inside reports Haugen released nitty-gritty the organization's information on the possibly unsafe effect web-based entertainment stages Facebook and Instagram might have on underage clients. Meta reports Q4 income Thursday. Meta stock exchanged lower during the consultation. Shares likewise shut marginally lower on Tuesday. That broke a dash of 5 exchanging days with gains. Separate from the meeting, Wall Street anticipates that Meta should have areas of strength for the report and deals development on Thursday. This is what to be aware of in the report. Investigators project that Meta will post a 21.6% year-over-year deals increment to $39.1 billion for the December quarter, as indicated by FactSet. The agreement for profit in the quarter is $4.83 per share, a 175% year-over-year hop. For the entire year, experts project Meta's profit will expand 67% to $14.40 an offer, contrasted, and a 37% drop in 2022. Concerning the current quarter direction, examiners are anticipating $33.9 billion in deals from Meta for the walk finishing period. Territory of the publicizing business sector. While it has made wagers on different lines of business, for example, computer-generated reality headsets, Meta infers practically the entirety of its income from selling publicizing on its group of applications, which incorporates Facebook, Instagram, Reels, WhatsApp, and Threads. At the point when the computerized promoting market wobbled in 2022, Meta stock endured a gigantic shot. Indications of recuperation for publicizing last year assisted Meta with returning. Experts with Jefferies anticipate that should go on in the final quarter of 2024. In a January 28 client note, Brent Thill said registrations with computerized promotion clients have been positive. Further, Meta has a few devices that have permitted its deals to return quicker than different stages. Quote, "While many are seeing wide industry strength, Meta is outstandingly beating given profit from venture, enhancements coming from Advantage Plus and other new artificial intelligence promotion apparatuses," unquote, Thill composed. Jefferies has a purchase rating for Meta with a 455 cost target. Advantage Plus is a simulated intelligence-fueled publicizing robotization device for organizations that Meta sent off in 2022. As of September, Meta said the item has reached a $10 billion yearly deal run rate. Experts will likewise be searching for reports on deals for promotions on Reels. The short video item is Meta's rival to TikTok. Zuckerberg told Meta stock experts in October that Reels will be a, quote, "humble tailwind," unquote, for income this year after already filling in as a drag on deals. Meta stock, artificial intelligence push. Financial backers will tune in for refreshes on Meta's man-made intelligence endeavors. Zuckerberg recently promoted the organization's computer-based intelligence desires in a post on Facebook. He said the organization will get billions of dollars worth of NVIDIA chips as a feature of an aggressive arrangement to fabricate a, quote, "gigantic register framework," unquote, to help its computer-based intelligence hostile. Investigators expect Meta can involve simulated intelligence for double purposes. For publicists, man-made intelligence could assist with sending off and following efforts. For clients, computer-based intelligence devices, for example, chatbots could help with commitment and time spent on Facebook or Instagram. Meta sent off its most memorable gathering of chatbots toward the end of last year. Quote, "We expect greater permeability for Meta's artificial intelligence resources and capacities in 2024, which ought to incorporate new satisfied for clients, simulated intelligence bots, and capacities for companies. Counting video crusades based on Meta's artificial intelligence," unquote, composed Bank of America Protections examiner Justin Post in a new client note. Post holds a purchase rating for Meta stock with a 425 cost target. Year 2 of effectiveness? Zuckerberg marked 2023 as a, quote, "time of effectiveness," unquote, for Meta, including significant expense cutting and cutbacks. The push was a reaction to a rising melody of worries about the organization's spending as deal development eased back in 2022. That is the reason Meta's spending will probably be firmly watched over time. With its second from last quarter income, Meta projected entire year costs for 2024 to hit $94 billion to $99 billion, as indicated by its profit discharge. In a new client note named, quote, Q4C, Long Periods of Proficiency, unquote, Evercore ISI expert Mark Mahaney said he anticipates that the organization should keep up with its entire year cost and capital consumption direction. Mahaney holds a purchase rating and a 425 cost focus for Meta stock. In the interim, the organization's misfortunes on the metaverse are supposed to develop. Examiners project that the metaverse-centered Reality Labs division at Meta will post a $4 billion working misfortune for the final quarter, against $733 million in income, as per FactSet. Meta stock activity. Heading into the report, Meta shares have expanded fundamentally past a past purchase point of 326.20 from a cut-base shaped last year, as indicated by IBD MarketSmith. Last week, the organization shut with a market capitalization above $1 trillion, interestingly beginning around 2021. On Monday, Meta stock shut with a cost of over $400, without precedent for its set of experiences. In the interim, Meta Stages is on the IBD 50 rundown of top development stocks. It's additionally on the Pioneers rundown of the IBD list of competitors' premium stock thoughts administration. IBD stock exam shows Meta with a general strength rating of 96 as of Tuesday, demonstrating it has outflanked 96% of all stocks in the year. Meta likewise flaunts the most elevated conceivable 99 IBD composite rating, which reflects strength across a few specialized and essential measurements connected to unrivaled stock execution. Again, thank you so much for tuning into today's video. If you found the content helpful and insightful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest finance tips and insights. Your support means the world to us, and we're thrilled to have you as part of the Finance Savvy community. By subscribing, you not only stay updated with our upcoming videos, but also contribute to the growth of our channel. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions for future topics, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. We love hearing from our viewers. Thanks again for being with us. Stay financially savvy, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, and have a fantastic day.